Today is Monday morning, and as most of you guys know, when it's Monday morning, I usually start a new vlog. Hello, camera, or vlogging. But for some reason this week, I just don't really feel like vlogging. I do have quite a lot of things that I have to get done. I have 2 assignments that are due on Friday, plus my ethics application, plus meetings, plus work. So instead of not vlogging and not showing you guys stuff, I thought to myself last night, why don't I kind of take you guys with me really in depth about how I get myself set up for the week and what I usually do on a Monday. As I said in my last vlog, Mondays are usually my Sunday. It's my day where I get stuff done. Yeah, I'm just gonna talk you guys through what I do on a Monday, how I get myself feeling really good about life, about things, how I feel motivated, and how I just get shit done. So starting off, it is currently 8:55. I woke up today at 6 a.m. I've been waking up really early recently, trying to get between like 6 and 7 a.m. at the latest, and it has benefited me in so many ways I can't even describe. I've been able to get so many more things done, and I guess my perspective on how much time I thought I used to have and how I used to get overwhelmed with the fact that I had no time to complete things. Just like really bad misconceptions on how much time I actually had to complete things completely has changed to this new outlook about the fact that I have an entire morning to get stuff done. From waking up at 6 a.m. I've been able to do so much more self-care for myself. I've created a morning routine where I've woken up and I do things every single morning that make me feel good and motivated and to grow myself in a personal development kind of way. It just makes my mindset so great every single morning. I also then just get straight into work and try and smash out as much homework as possible. By like 4 or 5 p.m. I've already done like 8 to 10 hours of homework, and I have the entire night off to do things that I enjoy. How I've been able to still upkeep my YouTube channel. I've still been able to keep in touch with friends and go to friend things, and yeah, I've just been able to balance things. It's crazy that waking up 2 or 3 hours earlier can have that much of a significant impact. Anyways, so this morning I woke up at 6 a.m. I read for a good hour and a bit. At the moment I am reading You Are a Badass. I highly enjoy this book. It's great. I love it. Now it's 9 o'clock. I've done all the things in my morning routine to make myself feel good and to set myself up for a really good productive day. So we enter phase 2 of the day, which is to plan out my day. As you can tell, I'm a bit of a planner. There's planning stuff everywhere. I like lists. I like writing stuff down, and I'm just a really visual person, so having stuff right in front of me, like smack bang, so I can see it and visualize me doing it, remind myself of the things that are important to me to then motivate myself to do them. I like to plan stuff out. I'm currently going to create a weekly planner of all the stuff that I do. I'm not going to go into depth about how I do this, but if you guys are interested in hearing about that process, happy to make a video dedicated to it. I also write a to-do list, and I also journal for like 5 minutes, but yeah, we'll get into that. So first things first, I'm gonna write my weekly planner. Yeah. When I journal, I either do it in the morning or the night, depends how I feel, depends when I have time, depends when I just feel like I need to get things off my chest or reflect on things. I usually follow a particular method of writing a journal. Everyone does it their own way. There's heaps of ways to write one. You can go on Pinterest and literally look up journal prompts. You can have a stream of consciousness and literally just brain dump everything that's happening in your brain and get it on a piece of paper. I have those kind of days occasionally, but every morning I usually try and follow a particular format, and that is the 3 threes. I start off by writing 3 wins for the day, or 3 things that have happened within the past 24 hours that I should be really proud of myself. So for example, that could be successfully waking up at 6 a.m. this morning without snoozing, which is what I really wanted to do, but I chose not to snooze. Next is to do 3 grateful things, so things within your life that you really should sit back and be grateful for and really bask in the present moment and how grateful you are to experience the life that you have and the things that you have and the people in your life. I think that one's pretty self-explanatory. And then the last thing is 3 main to-dos. I'm a big to-do list person. I love writing to-do lists every single day and like trying to get as many things done as possible, but I've also learned about this method called the 3 to-dos, and that is to basically focus on trying to get 3 major things done every single day. Yeah, you can have other things that you want to get done and write an extended to-do list, which I do as well. At the end of the day, you want to make sure you get those 3 main tasks done. I think Michelle B talked about this in one of her videos, and if I can find it, I'll link it down below. She chose to do her 3 things as 1 thing that she has to do, 1 thing that she should do, and 1 thing that she wants to do. So to make sure that her day is balanced out. So for example, today, one thing that I have to do is my ethics assignment. I need to get all the forms done. I need to do as much of it as possible as I can. One thing I should do is the other assignment that I have that's due Friday. I do have other days to do it, but I should probably add a little bit more time into it today. And then one thing that I want to do is to FaceTime my beautiful eggs, which I'll probably do later on today as well. Yeah, that's how I do my journaling. This is a weird angle. Okay, now we've gotten to the part where I'm going to start studying. First thing I do to prepare myself to study is to clear my desk of everything. This is what my desk currently looks like. I always have water with me to hydrate myself. Hello. I have all my school stuff that I'm going to now focus on. So I'm doing my thesis work now. And then, yeah, all the pieces of information that I need. As you would have seen, I have my phone here. However, I never have my phone near me or on when I'm studying at all. I can't have it as a distraction because I've learnt that if I have it there as an option, whenever I have moments where I just like am distracted or don't feel like I really want to do this, or I feel scared about completing it, just basic procrastination, I usually reach for my phone. So if it's nowhere near me, or if I turn it off and I don't allow myself to use it, then it's not even there as an option. This is me putting it on airplane mode, bada bing, bada boom. I usually put it in my desk away from myself, and I can't touch it until I'm finished studying. Now to start my studying, I have my iPad out, which you may think is counterproductive because I've just talked about the fact that I can't have my phone near me. I'm not logged into any app, so I don't get notifications for anything. I can't log into anything. Yeah, it's just not even accessible, and I mainly just use this for the timer. So when I'm sitting down to study, I figure out what I want to study and focus on for an hour. I pick one task that I can fully put my attention into, and I study that consistently for 1 hour straight. Honestly, it's made me so productive adopting this kind of method, so I 100% recommend. Okay, I'm gonna study. I'll talk to you guys later when I move on to other things that I get done on my Monday. That concludes 2 hours of consistent study with absolutely no distractions. I just got so much work done and I feel like I'm on a roll. However, it's important to take breaks and to make sure that your brain has breaks to chill, relax. So I'm gonna have a bit of a break. I had a break before and I had a smoothie, and now it is another break. I'm gonna have a lunch break, so I'm gonna go to the grocery store, do my grocery shopping, come back, have some lunch, and then get back to study. First things first though, I need to change my pants and my socks because I cannot go out of the house looking like this. I wish it was socially acceptable, but that's just not reality. Now, and I'm at the meal prepping part of my Monday. I've been studying a lot. My brain is fried. Usually I like to meal prep most of my snacks. I also meal prep dinner for tonight and for the next few nights, as well as lunch, or just get things sorted to make lunch, because, you know, one day I might decide to make a wrap, the other day I might decide to make a salad. So I just kind of put everything in place to make it less time consuming and just easier for me to make a meal and not have to think about it. So let's get to cutting everything and putting everything together. Okay, my hair, what is happening? Love that hair tie bump. Wow, so cute. Okay, so as you can tell, I'm ready for bed. I'm all snuggled up in my Kmart pajamas and I'm just gonna sit and watch some Netflix and chill and relax and wind myself down. Have a lovely sleep. Wake up tomorrow and smash it out again. For the rest of the night, what I do to get myself ready for university the next day, I like to pre-make my breakfast. I usually make overnight oats and I put it in the fridge, eat it in the car on the way to uni. It's the best, most convenient thing in the world and I love it. I also make sure that I prepare my clothing for the next day, so then when I wake up in the morning I just don't even have to think about it. I just put the clothing on and just continue on with my day instead of having to make decisions in the morning. It makes the process a lot easier. So now I've got my alarm set, I put my phone across the other side of the room, but then I'm forced to get out of bed in the morning because otherwise I would hit snooze and probably be late to university, which would not be good. And I think that concludes my Monday. Yeah, that's basically what I do to kind of get myself ready for the week. Yeah, it probably changes week to week. Some days I don't do it all on a Monday. I'll do some on a Sunday or whatever. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this particular video and this kind of style of video. I really enjoyed filming it. It's kind of cool to be really productive during the day and get a lot of stuff done, but also film. Like I got filming finished as well, which is really, really exciting. So yay, go team, woo. I'm so lame. Anyways, I'm gonna go to sleep because I have to wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Ha 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 ha. I love you all very much. Sleep, smile, all the things. Okay, bye. Whoop. That was anticlimactic. Bye.